Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Hope you guys are good. So guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this amazing flaxseed conditioner. Flaxseed is very good for your hair. It stimulates your hair, it makes your hair bouncing and shiny, and it brings out the coils of your hair. If you want to know how I make this flaxseed conditioner, sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end. So guys, this is the flaxseed I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be pouring some amount of it into my little bowl. Okay, so here is my little bowl. So I'm going to pour some amount of it inside. So flaxseed, you can get it from Afro shop or Pakistan shop, Indian shop. So I got mine from a Pakistan shop here in Italy. So for those of you that does not know where you are going to get yours, so and this is how it looks like, okay, like so. So you get it from Afro shop. So guys, here is my little pot. So now I'm going to place 3 tablespoons into the pot. Okay, so I'm not going to be placing much, like using much, because flaxseed doubles in size. It's just like fenugreek seed. Okay, it doubled in size. So now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water. All right, because flaxseed needs a lot of water. So after that, I'll place it on my gas, then allow it to cook. So before that, I'm going to stir it like so to make sure that the water covers all the flaxseed. So now I'm going to place it on my gas. So this is it. It has started boiling. So I'm just going to keep on stirring like this so that the flaxseed will not stick to my pot. Okay, so after stirring like this, then I will leave it for 15 minutes. Then after that, I'll turn off my gas, then allow it to cool down. So make sure you keep on stirring. If not, the flaxseed will stick to the pot. So guys, this is it after 15 minutes. So I will allow it to cool down a bit before I will pour it into my blender. So you can see how sticky it looks. Look at that. So I'm going to allow it to still cool down for some minutes. So guys, now I'm going to transfer it into my blender. Okay, you can see how it looks. It's very sticky. So I'm still going to add some amount of water to it, because this water will not be enough. Flaxseed needs a lot of water. Okay, so this is me adding some water to it. After that, I will just go ahead and blend. So this is after blending. So I'm going to use my net cap to sieve it. Okay, you have to sieve it very well because we don't need the particles on our hair. So thank you all for watching. If you have watched up to this extent, God bless you. And if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Nancy. On this channel, I post tutorial about hair, DIY, anything about hair. That is what I post on this channel. So if it's what you love to watch, please stick by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss out anytime I upload a new video. To my old and returning subscribers, thank you all. God bless you for always tuning in to watch my videos whenever I upload. I don't take your love for granted. So please guys, keep on supporting your girl. Let's grow this channel together. Without you guys, there is no Nancy reality. So let's grow this channel together. As you do so, God bless you, and don't forget to share this video to as many as you can. It might be of help to many. So guys, after sieving it, this is how it looks like. So now I'll go ahead and add a tablespoon of my black castor oil. You can add any oil of your choice, or you can skip this part, it's optional, okay? But I love black castor oil. You know, black castor oil stimulates your scalp, it makes your hair shiny, it replenishes your hair. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and mix it together to make sure the flaxseed conditioner and the black castor oil is well mixed together. So guys, now it's time to apply it on our hair. So guys, here is my hair. So I'm just going to section my hair into 4 parts. Then after that, I'll go ahead and apply the conditioner on my hair. You can see how it's sticky, like it's sticky, guys. So I'll just apply it like so and use my finger to detangling it while applying the conditioner on my hair. So guys, just give this a try, you are going to love it. It's amazing. My hair was so soft, like my hair was shining. Okay, so after that, I will just go ahead and cover my hair, and maybe for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Take a look at this. So I'll cover it for as long as I can. Okay, after that, I'll go ahead and wash my hair with my shampoo and my conditioner. If you love this video, don't forget to like, comment and share, and above all, subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you again on my next video. God bless you. Bye.